Hey, what's going on, YouTube? You know, the crypto market has been all over the place lately. And I can tell you, there are several different cryptocurrencies that I'm actually watching. There are probably a lot of cryptocurrencies that a lot of people are watching. But in this episode of Crypto to Watch, I am going to focus on a crypto that I can't seem to get away from, regardless of where I go. I can look at articles on websites. I can watch content creators. I can watch YouTubers. I can go to Instagram. And everywhere I go, I keep hearing about the cryptocurrency TRON. TRON, ticker symbol TRX. And I'm going to show you in this video, I can understand why people are actually talking about this cryptocurrency, because it's making major moves and it's not that expensive. And I can't wait to show everybody how much you can get with just investing on a budget. Hey, welcome to Points of Plain Finance, everyone. My name is Rod, and on this channel, we talk about investing. We talk about stocks, we talk about crypto, but more importantly, we talk about investing on a budget. If that's something you're interested in, do your boy a favor. Subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up and help it get pushed out to people that may be looking for information like this. Share the channel with your family and friends. Share it on your social media platforms. Also, make sure you check out the various links down in the description below for various crypto platforms such as COINBASE, Voyager, Crypto.com, Celsius. If you decide to invest with one of these exchanges, you can earn free Bitcoin. And with all that being said, you know what time it is. Let's get paid, baby. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are in my favorite crypto app, which is Live Coin Watch. I love to use this app because it shows me everything I need to see. And one of the things I'm going to be going over right now is where the coin is now and where the coin's all-time high has been. I'm looking right now, it's currently trading at 0.085723 cents per coin or token. The all-time high is 29.4743 cents. And I'm looking, it's up 5.92% today, up 18.51% in the last 7 days, up 30.33% in the last 30 days, up 41.22% in the last 90 days, and up 11.28% in the last year. I'm cool with 11.28% in the last year because that's typically where the S&P 500 for stocks, they're usually graded off of an 11% yield each year over a long period of time. Now, I am looking at making about $33 worth. I know that's what I have. I'm going to be using a different app today. I typically have been using my Crypto.com app for these videos, but today I'm going to use Voyager because TRON or TRX is not available on the Crypto.com platform. And I should get roughly about 384 tokens, coins. We're going to see. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get ready to go into my Voyager app, and we're going to get ready to purchase these tokens, and let's get down to business and get paid, baby. All right, here we are in my Voyager account. As you can see, I have $3,067.28 in this account, and I'm going to go ahead and go down. I'm not going to waste a lot of time, and I'm going to scroll down. As you can see, I have $33.80 to invest right there at the top. And I'm going to go down here to TRX. It's right there. It's currently trading at 0.0850 cents per token. I currently have 313.2 TRX in my account, roughly worth $26.62. Again, we are investing on a budget, so I'm not really worried about how much I have right now. I'm worried about how many tokens I can get right now. And we're not going to waste any time. I'm up $1.62 or 6.52%. And my average cost has been 0.0798 cents per coin. So I'm going to go over my average, but I'm going to go ahead and click buy. And I know I'm going to probably get 384. That's what it said when we looked at. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. We don't want to do that. We're going to switch this over. We're going to go down here, and I'm going to invest $33. Let's see what $33 will get us. 383.7. I'm going to slide to buy, submit the order, give it a few seconds. Now I own 697.4 TRX tokens. And I am going to be doing a different series with this token. I am going to be doing a series on my road, not to 10,000, but 15,000 TRX tokens. Let me jump back on the screen here and show me over here. Give me a half a second. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. It's that easy to purchase crypto, whether it's crypto.com, Voyager. It doesn't matter. So do me a favor. Tell me, what do you think? What do you think of the TRX token? I mean, everything was in the green. It's up 30%, 11 point such and such percent in the last year. What do you think? I'd love to hear about it. Please post it down in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to the channel. Give a video a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, share it on your social media platforms, and with all that being said, shoot for the moon. If you don't make it, you'll be amongst the stars. I can guarantee you I will be coming at you soon, dropping more heat, dropping more fire, more importantly, dropping more knowledge. Until the next time, peace, baby.